Yup.
They gonna take
She
it.
did say that shit. Making excuses when they gotta get you out of the bathroom, or they gotta. Damn. She got her ass.
They got, you might go ahead and sit down. She still stood there for a minute. Girl,
She showed that. She was just still standing there like she was going to
come up with something.
Yeah.
Sit your ass down, girl.
Then I ain't gonna lie, they starting to get real aggravated with that girl. What's the white girl that be doing all the questions? They getting tired of her.
Yeah, cause she was like, you know what? About the tampons, that girl.
The girl that was mentioned about the one that always speak up for C building.
That's the one that mentioned about the tampons too.
Yeah, and she said
sanitary.
Yeah, she was like, well, y'all could just buy your own.
That's right. She said we finna start giving them to you. How about that? Yeah, that's I forgot her name.
Lisa,
that's it.
That girl done sat down.
She's and being drunk.
I knew she was getting in trouble that last one because she was falling asleep on the bus, about fell out on the floor.
Being drunk, girl, that's what it is. I was shocked when she said to the girl, she said, "Why are you back?" I was like, who is she talking about?
I thought I seen a ghost. How long it been? You know who she was?
Some girl named Kobe. Yeah, I thought it was the Kobe. No, I never seen her. But my thing is, I thought it was the Kobe that was locked up with us at Yeah, but that's not the Kobe. She look older.
She must came right back.
Had to, cause Miss Jackson was looking like, what the fuck?
Back. Miss Jackson already knew. She already knew I was coming back.
But you've been in good intent.